Every day, thousands of patients and customers rely on the quality of your products. From healthcare supplies to perishable foods and medicines, it's critical that everything you deliver meets the quality and performance expectations of your customers. So what can you do to assure this? Put an extra layer of confidence into every shipment. With our state-of-the-art manufacturing plant, Zebra's Supplies and Sensors Healthcare Center of Excellence in New Jersey, you now gain powerful visibility into all your products, ensuring they meet the highest level of quality standards. With over 3 decades of experience in helping customers with cold chain monitoring of perishable products, Zebra is your go-to manufacturer for unparalleled excellence in healthcare supplies and sensors. From vaccine vial monitors, to temperature indicator labels and cards, to patient identification wristbands, blood bag temperature indicators, and more, Zebra has you covered on all of your critical healthcare and sensor needs. To ensure the highest quality standards, we continually assess risk in the design, manufacture, and use of our products through our robust quality management system based on FDA regulations for medical devices, allowing you to move forward in delivering your products with confidence. As a technology leader with the ability to scale and ship globally, trust Zebra to meet your demands in quality, quantity, and on-time delivery. By harnessing greater intelligence and visibility throughout the supply chain, you'll not only reduce waste and reshipments, but ensure stronger protection for your brand and customers. So place your trust in every shipment and instill greater confidence for customers and patients each and every step of the way. Zebra's Supplies and Sensors Healthcare Center of Excellence. Your center for greater trust.